Hello, my name's Anna and I'm from Solarfix. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to pair your Harvi to your Eddi. So on the Eddi, you're going to press the menu button, then you're going to go down to device settings, go down to installer settings, pop in your passcode, which is the 4 zeros, just press the tick button 4 times, then you're going to go into link devices. Then you're just going to hover over pairing mode. The next stage is you're going to go to the Harvi and press the pair button. So once you're at the Harvi, you're going to press the pair button once and release. The 2 flashes followed by the red flash indicates it is now searching for the Eddi. Next, once you're back at the Eddi, you're going to press pairing mode and it will say searching for sleeves and the Harvi will appear. You click on the Harvi to save it and allow the countdown. Once you can see there's no longer a question mark at the Harvi, you will be good to go. Next, we're going to click on the Harvi to tell it what to read. So just click the button and go down to CT1 and change this to grid. Once you see grid, press the button to save it and that will be it saved. If you just press the X button, we now have a little wave symbol to show it's reading the grid. And if you just want to press the X button until you arrive at the home screen, as you can see, there's now energy flows at the top of the Eddi, which indicates that the Harvi has successfully paired. Another way to do this is by going to the kettle, boiling it to see if a greater pull from the grid has occurred. As you can see, we have created a load in the house, and this is a natural flow as we are now pulling in 3.3 kilowatts from the grid, meaning the Harvi is reading the grid correctly. Thank you.